Want to verify if your disk is GPT or MBR and see it by detail? You're in the right place. So first we go to the control panel. Then we enter the Windows Tools section. And we open the Computer Management. As soon as the page opens up, we click on the storage and we double-click Disk Management. And boom! Now things turn to be easy. You can see your registered disks. So let's just say that I want to know more about this disk 0. Alert! We click on left side not anywhere we want. And we go to Properties and press Volumes. And voila! As you can see, this is the type of our disk GPT. Let's take a look at the space by the same steps. And that's it. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.